Hello and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Today we're sending a test message with Telnet, a protocol that shows us what happens behind the scenes when we click send, allowing us to troubleshoot various problems related to our email system. First, a few words about Telnet. Essentially, what you need to know about Telnet, or Teletype Network Protocol, is that it allows you to establish a direct connection with an email server from your computer. In this video, we install Telnet on Windows via command line, PowerShell, and control panel, and then send a test email to a fake SMTP server provided by Mailtrap. Quick side note, subscribe to our channel and check out the Telnet installation with Linux, other PowerShell videos, and all different things email. Now, as promised, let's install Telnet by opening the command line as administrator and running the following command. Keep in mind that this command works for Windows 8 and above. To install Telnet on older versions of Windows, such as 7 or Vista, you can use the Package Manager command, which we'll leave in the description below. Once the installation is complete, we get the Operation Completed Successfully message. Lastly, it's time to test the connection by starting a session on port 2525, like so. Now, let's proceed with installing Telnet via PowerShell. First, we need to open it with administrator privileges and enable the Windows optional feature with the following command. Then, we get the message that informs us the installation is complete. After that, of course, we start a session on port 2525 to test the connection. And voila, it's ready. Lastly, to install Telnet using Control Panel in Windows Features, find Turn Windows Features on or off. Tick the Telnet client box and press OK. Keep in mind that you may need to restart your machine to complete the installation. And to test the connection, we start a session on port 2525 using the command line to test the connection. Finally, when all is set and we have our Telnet installed, let's move on to sending a test email to a fake SMTP server. But to safely do this, we'll need a dedicated testing tool, such as Mailtrap Email Testing. With Mailtrap Email Testing, you can inspect and debug emails in staging, dev, and QA environments with no risk of spamming users with testing emails. Let's create a free Mailtrap account and get our fake SMTP, where we'll send our test email. So head on over to mailtrap.io, click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. Then choose the registration method, fill in the necessary fields, and complete the account registration process by clicking the sign up button. Once you have your account, you can fetch your fake SMTP credentials we need for testing emails in Telnet. Here, you need to navigate to email testing in your Mailtrap dashboard and open My Inbox. Then click on Show Credentials to reveal the SMTP configurations of your virtual inbox. From the credentials, you'll need the host, username, and password, all of which you'll copy in the terminal in a moment. And finally, let's start an SMTP session and send our testing email as promised. For starters, let's open the terminal, run the command telnet, and use the fake SMTP server from Mailtrap and port number 2525. If the connection is successful, you will see a response starting with code 220 informing us that the server is ready. Next, we need to identify ourselves as the SMTP host by running the ehlow command with example.com as a domain, since this is a test. Then let's start the auth login, which is a plain text login, and for which we'll use the username and password that are both base64 encoded. After we get the OK message, we'll have to type in the sender and recipient addresses. For this, you can use the example.com domain again. Next, in the data section, we define the email elements, which include the recipient's email address, the sender's email address, the subject line, and the body or main content of our email message. And finally, we finish everything by adding a dot and pressing enter, after which an email should arrive in our Mailtrap email testing inbox. See, testing emails in Telnet is pretty straightforward. To learn how to do it in Linux or find out more about SMTPs in general, be sure to check out our other videos. The links will be in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure all in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified about any upcoming videos, shorts, and community posts. See you in our next one.